5 amazing tools you should know about. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some amazing tools that you absolutely need to know about. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these tools are game changers. We're talking about inventions that solve problems you didn't even know you had, make tough jobs a breeze, and we'll have you saying, "Why didn't I think of that?" So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to discover some of the most innovative and useful tools out there. First up, we have the Hose2Go. And let me tell you, this thing is a game changer for anyone who has ever had to wrangle a heavy, unwieldy hose. We've all been there, right? You're trying to water your plants, wash your car, or maybe you're on a construction site and that hose is just getting in the way, kinking up and generally making your life difficult. The Hose2Go is essentially a portable, constant pressure water supply system. Imagine this, a compact unit that you can easily wheel around, with a hose that's always pressurized and ready to go. No more lugging around a heavy hose, no more struggling with kinks, and no more wasted water pressure. The Hose2Go is powered by a rechargeable battery, so you can take it anywhere, regardless of whether there's an outlet nearby. It's perfect for construction sites, landscaping projects, or even just around the house. And because it provides constant pressure, you'll get a more consistent flow of water, which is essential for tasks like pressure washing or irrigation. One of the things I love about the Hose2Go is its versatility. They offer different hose lengths and attachments, so you can customize it to fit your specific needs. Need a longer hose for a large yard? No problem. Need a specialized nozzle for a specific cleaning task? They've got you covered. But the real beauty of the Hose2Go is its simplicity. It's incredibly easy to use. Just fill it up, turn it on, and you're good to go. No complicated setup, no priming the pump, no fuss. It's just pure pressurized water on demand. And let's talk about durability for a second. This thing is built to last. It's got a rugged design that can withstand the rigors of a construction site, and the hose itself is made from high-quality materials that can handle high pressure and resist kinking. So, if you're tired of dealing with the hassles of a traditional hose, I highly recommend checking out the Hose2Go. It's one of those tools that you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Next up, we're taking a look at the HG Mini Dumper, a tool that's a must-have for anyone who moves heavy materials on a regular basis. Whether you're a contractor working on a construction site or a homeowner tackling a landscaping project, this little powerhouse will make your life so much easier. So what exactly is the HG Mini Dumper? It's essentially a compact track dumper that's designed to transport heavy loads across various terrains. Imagine a miniature dump truck that can navigate tight spaces, climb hills, and handle uneven ground without breaking a sweat. The HG Mini Dumper comes in various sizes and weight capacities, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Some models can even handle up to 2,000 pounds. That's a lot of dirt, gravel, or concrete you can move without breaking your back. One of the things that impressed me most about the HG Mini Dumper is its incredible maneuverability. The tracks provide excellent traction, allowing it to navigate muddy, sandy, or uneven terrain with ease. And because it's compact, you can easily maneuver it through narrow pathways and tight spaces where a traditional wheelbarrow wouldn't stand a chance. But don't let its size fool you. This little machine is a workhorse. It's powered by a reliable engine that provides ample torque for hauling heavy loads, and the hydraulic dumping system makes unloading quick and effortless. And let's not forget about safety. The HG Mini Dumper is designed with safety in mind, featuring a low center of gravity for stability, a roll cage for operator protection, and an emergency stop button for added peace of mind. Whether you're moving dirt, gravel, mulch, or other heavy materials, the HG Mini Dumper is an invaluable tool that will save you time, effort, and potentially even back pain. It's a true testament to the power of smart engineering and a must-have for any serious construction or landscaping project. Chapter 3. Hilltip WeedStriker, Precision Weed Control without the chemicals. Now let's talk about a tool that's going to make all you gardeners and landscapers out there very happy, the Hilltip WeedStriker. This innovative tool uses cutting-edge technology to target and eliminate weeds without the need for harmful chemicals. The Hilltip WeedStriker is a revolutionary weed control system that utilizes infrared technology to identify and eliminate weeds with incredible precision. Here's how it works. The WeedStriker is equipped with sensors that detect the heat signatures of weeds. When a weed is detected, the system delivers a precise dose of thermal energy directly to the plant, effectively destroying it without harming the surrounding vegetation or soil. This targeted approach not only minimizes chemical use, but also reduces the risk of herbicide resistance, a growing concern in the world of agriculture and landscaping. By precisely targeting weeds, the WeedStriker helps to preserve the health of the soil and prevent the spread of herbicide-resistant weeds. But the benefits of the Hilltip WeedStriker don't stop there. This intelligent system is also incredibly efficient. It can treat large areas quickly and effectively, making it an ideal solution for maintaining parks, golf courses, sidewalks, and other large areas. And because it's chemical-free, you can use it with confidence in sensitive areas where herbicides are prohibited or undesirable. The Hilltip WeedStriker is available in various models, including tow-behind units, truck-mounted systems, and even handheld devices. So whether you're a professional landscaper or a homeowner looking for an eco-friendly way to keep your yard weed-free, there's a WeedStriker solution for you. iToolco Reel Jacks. The future of lifting is here. Now let's talk about a tool that's going to revolutionize the way you lift and move heavy objects. The iToolco Reel Jacks. This innovative system combines the power of hydraulics with the precision of robotics to create a safer, more efficient, and, frankly, cooler way to lift and position heavy loads. Imagine this. You need to lift a heavy piece of machinery, a large appliance, or maybe even a section of a prefabricated building. Traditionally, you'd use a combination of jacks, cribbing, and a whole lot of muscle to get the job done. But with iToolco Reel Jacks, the process becomes significantly easier and safer. The iToolco Reel Jack system consists of multiple self-propelled robotic jacks that work in sync to lift and position heavy loads with incredible precision. These jacks communicate wirelessly with each other and with a central control unit, allowing you to control the entire lifting operation with the touch of a button. But it's not just about ease of use. Safety is paramount. The iToolco Reel Jack system is equipped with multiple safety features, including overload protection, automatic leveling, and emergency stop functionality. The system constantly monitors the weight distribution and stability of the load, ensuring a safe and controlled lift every time. The iToolco Reel Jack system is incredibly versatile. It can be used in a wide range of applications, from construction and manufacturing to heavy equipment maintenance and disaster relief. The system's modular design allows you to customize the number of jacks and their configuration to suit the specific requirements of the job. Chapter 5. IML-RESI PowerDrill. Power and precision in the palm of your hand. Last but not least, we have a tool that's going to make all you woodworkers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts out there drool: the IML-RESI PowerDrill. This is not your average power drill, folks. This is a precision instrument designed for the most demanding applications. The IML-RESI PowerDrill is a high-performance cordless drill that combines power, precision, and ergonomics in a compact and lightweight package. Whether you're drilling through hardwood, driving long screws, or tackling intricate woodworking projects, this drill delivers the torque, speed, and control you need to get the job done right. One of the standout features of the IML-RESI PowerDrill is its brushless motor. Brushless motors are known for their efficiency, power, and longevity. They generate less heat, require less maintenance, and provide more power and runtime compared to traditional brushed motors. But the IML-RESI PowerDrill is more than just a powerful motor. It's also packed with features designed to enhance precision and control. The drill features a quick-change chuck, allowing you to switch between drill bits and driver bits in seconds. The built-in LED light illuminates your work area, ensuring accuracy even in low-light conditions. And let's not forget about ergonomics. The IML-RESI PowerDrill is designed with comfort and control in mind. The drill's grip is ergonomically shaped and coated in a soft-touch material, providing a comfortable and secure hold even during extended use. The drill's balanced design reduces fatigue and allows for precise control. Outro, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you found these tools as amazing as we did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. We're always on the lookout for the most innovative and game-changing tools out there, so be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next exciting discovery. See you in the next video.